Today we are going to unbox a child Prestan Manikin and show you how to set it up. At Finish Strong CPR and Medical training, we use the feedback device mannequins. This one happens to be a Prestan, and this would be a similar situation if this was an adult or a child mannequin. So let's get started. First thing you're going to do is open the bag, unzip it, and you'll notice that the mannequin is broken up into a few different pieces. The head is separated upon shipping, but you will attach it. So I'm going to perform that first. What you're going to do is the torso of the mannequin is able to be opened to insert the lungs. And that's one of the first things we're going to do. As you can see here, there's two spots that you can actually, if you pull them away from you and up on each side, that will expose the chest like so. This opens up fully, and this is where the lung bag will be sitting, right here, all the way up to the esophagus. So how do we insert the head? The head has two holes right here that I'm going to insert directly on top of those two pieces, and now the head is attached. What do we do to insert the lungs? You'll take the lungs like so. This is the top, this is the bottom, and you're actually going to take this and you're going to fold it upon the lines on each side. So you're going to fold once and twice on one side, like so, and then once and twice on the other side until you have one piece about that width that you'll insert inside the mouth. You're going to do a head tilt chin lift, like so. You will insert this piece, making sure it's narrow, nice and flat, and you're going to feed it through the mouth. You're going to go slowly, and eventually it comes out here. You want it to be correct side up, so you can see on this side, it has the circle and the dotted lines. And then I'm going to tug it, and I'm going to pull this part open, and each of these has a small hole that I will insert where the holster to hold that hole is, right below the ear, like so. I want to do both sides. I have both sides here. And then once you do both sides, it will stay down nice and flat, like so. Sometimes they're having a little trouble, but once you get them to catch, they usually stay. So that one's finally in there, and then it's nice and smooth. You're going to go ahead and close up the torso, push down, make sure it locks, you'll hear a click, and now the mannequin has its lungs, and its head is secure once I close the torso. The last step is going to be adding batteries to the back side for the feedback of the compression rate and the compression depth. And what you're going to do is take the batteries and insert them with the plus signs in the appropriate spot. And then once those are inserted, just hold them in tight, and you're going to put the cap on like so. And then to test it out, you don't have to do anything. You can just see that the red light is blinking, which was telling me it was a little bit below the compression rate. You can also test it out, putting your arms locking in place. And I can see now that I have the two green, which is what I would be looking for with the compression rate and the compression depth. So I hope this helps you in setting up your Prestan Manikin from unboxing it all the way to use. This would be ready for use once we wipe it down and sanitize it properly and then let it dry. It's ready to go. Very lightweight, easy to use for a basic life support class or any CPR AED training that you might need. Till next time, follow us at Finish Strong CPR and Medical Training.